Take a ride in the 2020 X3. BMW X3 builds on the success of the original by developing its core competencies while adding new technology to establish new benchmarks for agility, efficiency, and comfort. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, rear spoiler, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.